And this is Papa Loves. Woo-ha!
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to...
And this is Papa Loves. Wow. Welcome to Sultan bin Abdulaziz Humanitarian City, guys. Yan, magkakandak ng CPR dahil renewal ng ating contract, guys. Ayan. Dito tayo sa ano, dito dati yung building ko. Sa S1. Level 1. Ayan, guys. Doon ang pamilmitan sa likod, syempre. Laki na ng puno. Dati wala pang puno yung mga yun. Kasi sa S1. Oh, walang gwardiya. Pwede mag... Ayan, guys. Ayun, oh. Si Kuya Leo, shout out mo muna. Oh, shout out.
Shout out.
Gusto mo umorder ng turon dyan. Yan, guys. CPR sa third floor, no?
CPR. Wow, may CPR ka?
Oo. Wow. Si CPR kami ngayon, guys. Sa third floor kay Ate Teresa. Ayun o, si Ate. Ako sa? Actual, bebe. Guys, sila yung elevator na to. Yung isa. Dapat pala, nagdanan lang ako sa HR. Lakad. Ayan, guys. Tour ko kayo sa third floor. Pwede sa fourth floor ako dati. Bagay, ito lahat ng floor dito dati. Nagsiserve ako ng tea and coffee. Ayan, guys, manipis na. Ay, third floor. Ay, nasa fourth floor ako. Ayun, oh. Shut up. Third floor. Ba't lumagpas ako? Third floor. CPR. Kaya nga, ba't lumagpas ako? Umover ang power ko, guys. Ayan. Ito ang third floor, guys. Doon ang IT. Dito ang CPR kay ate. Ayan si ate. Ayan. At siyempre, mag-timpla muna tayo ng kape. Ito ang third floor, guys. Kita niyo ang Saudi Arabia. Ayan. Bebet kayo ngayon tayo. Ang dami na ng anak ni ano, Barreto. Kasi, tingnan natin kung andito na si Ate Teresa. Pagsabi nandito na tayo. Kasi nakaraan nandito tayo. Hindi ko na nilainak na. Ayan. Good morning, guys. Say hi to my vlog. Ate, dito na ako, ha? Kumain ka na. May hamburger ako din, How are you, boss? Fine. Good. Yan, kape. Kape muna tayo, guys. Kape. Okay. Nahugasan ko na yung tumbler ko para makapagkape. Kape tayo. Ayan. Tumbler ko ay saan kaya si ate ano dito? Yung scraper. Walang ilaw. Saan binubuksan ng ilaw? Halatang hindi na taga rito, guys. Hindi na alam. Ayan. Guys. Dito kinakandak, guys, ang CPR. Yearly yan. Sa lahat ng staff. Para kayo siya nung mapunta. O nung magkatulo ng CPR. Dagdag license din. Kape tayo, guys, kasi ang oras pa lang ay 7:49 ng umaga. Maaga tayo dumating. Kasi nakaraan, dalawa lang kami umating, hindi nila inak na ng lunch. Kaya inano ulit tayo ngayon, binuki ulit tayo ngayon. Kala ko, okay na nung nag-usap kami ni ate. Hindi pa pala yan. So, ayan. Guys, kape muna tayo. Tayo ay magkape. Para sa umaga ito. Ayan. Coffee break. Madilim dito, guys. So, yun, guys. Dito muna tayo. At tayo magkape. Mag-almusal tayo ng hamburger. May pagkain naman sila din sa loob. Mga cookies. Nabawasan ko na itong hamburger. Kain tayo, guys. Breakfast. Thank you, Mama Labs, sa breakfast. Hamburger. Grace, thank you. Ayun muna, guys, kailangan natin mag-almusal. Wait, kape. Ada hat already. Aywa, hat ada. Thank you, guys. Breakfast. Birthday nga pala ni Mama Lab ngayon, guys. Pakibati naman siya sa channel niya. Mama Labs ni Papa Lab. Happy birthday, Mama Labs. Love you. Pinagawa ko nga pala niya ng egg dun kay Chef. Mamaya. Tignan natin pagkatapos nito. Tapos kami siguro dito alas 11. Start siya ng 8 o'clock. Nakita ko nga pala si Iggy Boy. Anak ni ate, ano? Yung apo ni Rose Eusebio. Bigyan ko yung isang burger. Pasa! Ano dahil po ng isang burger? Pasa! Kain na kain na. Pasa! Bagger in the morning, bagger in the evening. Afternoon. Ayun, no? Ano? Halika mo na rin, eh. Shoutout ka. Shoutout ka muna. Batiin mo si Marie. Birthday ngayon.
Sino?
Si Marie.
Nasaan?
Ayan.
Happy birthday! Kahit di kita nakikita.
Vlog to. Oo. Kapi na kayo dyan. Si Ato. Ato tsaka si Engineer. Ay, Ate Ruth! Ate Ruth! Batiin mo si Marie, birthday. Birthday ni Marie. Ngayon. Ay. Ano bro? Katat ka mo sa vlog ko.
Ano yan?
Vlog. Ano ka rin ngayon, CPR? Kinansel nila sa akin yung dati. Tapos yung nila ako. Ang dami na kami tayo. Sa labas. Ay, ito, walang kopyahan, ha? Baka mamaya, lipin mo yung manikin. Okay, guys, mamaya na lang. Nagdadatingan na yung malalakas. Ayun, no? Oy, chata. Oo. Halika, sa labas tayo mamaya. Chinese restaurant. Oh, cafeteria. Waiting lang, dami namin. Guys, nawawala na siya. O, diba? Sa fourth floor. Ang CEO dito sa taas. Nami-ami, guys. Si Marie, birthday ni Marie.
Ate Rock, ano?
Si Marie, birthday.
Happy birthday!
Lumuho. Kumusta? Tumaba ka. Guys, so, shout out picture sa mga pogi. Ayan. Start na. Oy, walang kikisa, ano? Makalips-tilipin yung... Mapilips-tilips, ha? Muskila. Yung kuwan, yung host dati, yung ganon. Nilips na. Sinubo talaga. Ayan guys, start na. sa baby, meron sa adult. Ayan. Kaway-kaway mga guys. Mandatory to guys, yearly. Yearly yung aming CPR. Sama ko mga gray boys yan. Pogi oh. Ayan oh. Yung mga naka-schedule daw, mga bigatin, mga may tahid na oh. Ayan oh. Mga may tahid na.
3, 4, 5, 6, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Stop. Take a deep breath. Sino safe? Sino safe?
Safe.
Check for responsiveness. Hey.
Hey, are you okay?
Hey, sir. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yeah. Call 911 and get the AED. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No breathing. Ready. Start the chest compressor. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Give the breaths. Pinch the nose. Head tilt, chin dip. 1, and then 2. Second cycle. Ready. Hands on the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Give the breaths. Pinch the nose. 1 and 2. Last cycle, hands on the chest. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Give the breaths. 1 and then 2. Excellent. How is it? Good. Who will be the one to select who will be the next one?
Ayusin mo, ayusin mo. Isipin mo si ano yan.
Apply pads to patient's bare chest. Plug in pads connector next to flashing light.
Clear.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient.
Clear.
Laksan mo.
All clear.
Ayan.
Shock advised. Charging. Stay clear of patient.
Clear again.
Clear.
Everybody clear?
Deliver shock
Clear.
now. Press the orange button now. Shock delivered.
Ayun.
Start
Continue.
CPR.
Ayun.
Okay, excellent.
Very good, very
Now
good.
can you move?
Ayun, naka-on na yan. On.
Apply pads to patient's bare chest. Plug in pads connector next to flashing light.
Hindi makita. Ayusin mo.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient.
Clear.
Shock advised. Charging. Stay clear of patient.
Yes.
Everybody clear?
Clear.
Deliver shock now. Press the orange button now. Shock delivered. Paused. Start CPR.
Okay, excellent. Okay.
Uy, ang bilis. Nasaway.
Now select.
Ayan. Iayos mo.
Pads connector next. Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient.
What you will say?
Clear.
Shock advised.
Hindi
Charging.
pala kita na video.
Stay clear of patient.
Clear.
All clear.
Deliver shock now. Press the orange button now. Shock delivered.
Yan.
Pause. Start CPR.
Straight daw eh. Straight. Straight mo yung kamay.
Next.
Yeah.
Apply pads to patient's bare chest. Plug in pads connector next to flashing light.
Yeah, we will get after this.
Analyzing heart rhythm.
Clear.
Do not touch the patient. Shock advised. Charging. Stay clear of patient.
Everybody clear?
Clear.
Deliver shock now. Press the orange button now. Shock delivered. Pause. Start CPR.
Yan. Very good.
Excellent.
Oh, very good.
Apply pads to patient's bare chest. Plug in pads to flashing light. Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient.
Clear.
Clear.
Shock advised. Charging. Stay clear of patient.
Clear.
Deliver shock now.
Niya ka. Niya.
Now. Shock delivered. Pause. Start CPR.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, that's the
End the time now, guys. Ayan o, may tinapay. Ayan guys. Ayan. Snack time ng mga brads. Break time. Ayan o. Oh, to. Ay, Feliciano. Feliciano, yung tinapay o. Oo. Ay, may nagano pala din sa kabila. Kay Bingay. Ayan, guys. Ayan, break time, guys. Break time sa mga tropa. Ayan. Pata na hotdog. Ayan na. Hotdog.
Secret lang natin.
Ayaw ba? Look not. Natin. Sige man, sumayin natin. Ayun, no?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Susukan nito yung tsaa.
1 and 2. Second cycle, get ready. Hands on the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Give the breaths. 1 and 2. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Excellent. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay? Okay, ready? 3 sets, huh? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Support, rotate. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Support rotate. Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Support rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, what's going on with you?
Nakatawa.
Okay, Red. Support rotate. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Support and then rotate. Excellent. 1, do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Game.
1.
Support and
Original. What?
Okay, 1.
Support rotate.
Okay.
1. Support rotate. 3. 4.
Okay. Support.
Support, rotate. Support and rotate.
Very good, very good.
Uy, upo ka. 5 lang.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, ready? Wait, okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Support, rotate.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
5 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Support, rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Support, rotate. Last cycle, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Support, rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Good.
Ayun guys, tapos na kami sa CPR namin today. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa mga ONM na nakajam sa CPR. Thank you din kay Ate Teresa sa pagtuturo sa amin. So I learned the knowledge this one is and save life. Oh, nagawa ko to dati nung na-learn ko sa kanila na save life. Na choke siya nung candy. So ayun. Maganda may matutunan ka sa pag ano ng CPR, kaya kahit saan pwede mo i-apply. Kung nasa mall ka or nasa bahay or saan man lugar. So ayan guys. Thank you SBAC family. God bless. Thank you for watching. Bye. Uwa.
Papa Labs TV Official. Subscribe and click the bell.